Describe and explain the structure and function of the nucleus. Now this is worth 4 marks. There's actually more than 4 things you could say here, but as long as you've got those 4 marks in there, then that's going to get you the full quota. Right, let's get started. So here we have this grainy material in the middle. We call this chromatin, but you can also call it DNA or even chromosomes. That's a structure, but then we have to think about function. What is it for? Now DNA, there's quite a few different roles here. It is used to replicate the cell. When the DNA replicates, it means there's enough DNA for 2 daughter cells, so we could add that in as a function. But what DNA also provides is a genetic code for the cell to make polypeptides, which are proteins. Now that would straight away achieve you 2 marks, 1 for structure, 1 for function. Let's have a look at another area of the nucleus to make sure we're getting those 4 marks. The nucleolus is this dense dark structure in the middle. Now the nucleolus, it's actually got a bit of a strange job. What it's there to do is to make the ribosomes, which are needed for proteins to be synthesized. There is another thing you could say. You already have your 4 marks though, already there, but you could even talk about the nuclear envelope. The nuclear envelope is a double membrane bound structure with pores in it. So these are our nuclear pores. Now that means that things that are made inside the nucleus are able to exit the nucleus to areas of the cell where things can then happen to them. So that could be a 3rd point you could make if you can't remember some of the others. Change that to from. So there we have it. We have more than enough to get us our 4 marks. So if you like this video and want some more practice, then follow us for some more, and I'll see you next time.